Lynda Mahoney, 131 North Dolphin Road. For the sake of keeping the meeting moving, may I make my comments and have them apply to each of the cases under F1 through 5, so that I don't have to come up and say the same thing?
Okay, sure.
Yes. Okay. My objections to HRPB 15-00100 217, 216, 215, 214, and 231, as well as the additional associated cases, were stated and made a part of the official record at the HRPD meeting of February 17, 2016. As this is a continuation of that meeting, my objections remain. To those objections, I would like to add the following. Plans in the discussion have included the use of the roof of the historic Gulfstream Hotel by guests and/or the public. The Gulfstream Hotel is a legal, non-conforming building at its current height. Under section 23.5-3, nonconformities, paragraph D, nonconforming buildings and structures. A nonconforming building may continue to exist in a nonconforming state so long as it otherwise conforms to law subject to the following provisions. In part, no such building shall be enlarged or altered in any way so as to increase its nonconformity. The use of the roof increases the height of the building, which then increases the nonconformity. I object to that, in addition to my other objections. As a little matter of history, because you were asking about the pool, the 3 condo buildings south of the Gulfstream Hotel comprise the Gulfstream Condominium Association, the Towers, the Hampshire, and the Statler. And the pool in front of the Statler, the glass house in front of the Hampshire, and the putting green that used to be in front of the Towers were originally owned by or owned with the condominiums, owned by the hotel or in conjunction with the condominiums. The pool on the south side of the Gulfstream Hotel was put in the mid-80s. So that's just a little bit of the history on the pool for the hotel. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I have a question for Lynda. Lynda, you were saying in your comment that you felt that the use of the roof, but the pool is on the annex. It's a second-story pool.
The use of the roof has nothing to do with the pool. I'm just talking about the pool because it was mentioned about whether it had ever been on the ground, or some pools are on the ground.
So you're objecting then specifically to the use of the roof on the historic Gulfstream?
Yes.
And the second name?